Hi everyone. Hello. A very good evening to you all. Lovely to have so many people on board with me here today. Hello. Hi. A very good evening. Hi everyone. I am Tanya. I'm the training manager here at the Body Shop, and today I'm here to introduce a very special product lineup with you all. That's our body butters. Yes, our new and improved body butters are back, and they're back with stronger efficacy, sustainable packaging, and much more cleaner formulation. When I say cleaner formulation, what I mean is that they are paraben free and we're using much more lesser amount of silicons in them. So before I go ahead and show you the products that I have for you today, I just want to share a small little story about body butters and how they came to be. So the first body butter was created by a founder, Dame Anita Roddick, and she created this back in 1992. The first body butter that was created by her was mango flavor. And when she was creating this product in her kitchen, her daughter wanted to try the product, and when she tried on her skin, she said that, "Mother, it feels like butter for your skin." And that's how the name of the product came to be. That's why we call this product body butter today, and this is a product we love the most. It's one of our iconic products. So before I go ahead, I want to say some highs here. Lovely to have so many people here today. Great. So the first body butter that I was telling you guys about was mango. So this is the new packaging, guys. Just look at this. How beautiful and lovely it looks. So this was the first body butter launched, mango. And this time this has come with a new and improved smell as well. The fragrance smells real to the actual mango. So when I open the product, just look at the body butter. It's so clean and beautiful. You don't want to touch it even. It smells really nice. It smells like a real product. And the lid of the product that you see, it's made of aluminum that is 100% recyclable, and the plastic tub that you see, that also is 100% recyclable, and it's already a recycled plastic that we're using from one of our community fair trade partners. And I just want to go ahead and try this product out for you. A very little amount I'll be taking. So this is very good for people who have dry skin, and all our body butters now provide you 96 hours of hydration. Imagine guys, 96 hours of hydration. Look at how easily it spreads on the skin, and it smells absolutely lovely, like a real mango. And it's non-greasy, and this product lineup is entirely vegan, 100% vegan, and it's non-sticky. So this label that you see here, it indicates all the ingredients that are present in the body butter. So the base for all our body butters is shea butter. That is a highly nourishing ingredient that locks in the moisture into your skin. Apart from that, we have mango seed oil in this one, and also cocoa butter. They all together come to nourish and hydrate your skin very well. So the mango body butter works well for people who have dry skin. So I think you should give this a try. When I say 96 hours of hydration, what I really mean is, even if after you take a shower, your skin would not dry up. It would be very nicely moisturized still. So the second product that I want to show you guys is strawberry body butter. Look at how lovely this packaging is. It's a beautiful packaging, and this is for people who have normal to dry skin. Again, a very beautiful clean tub that you get. It's a plastic, recycled plastic tub. And the base ingredient again for this one is shea butter, cocoa butter, and strawberry seed oil. It also is one of our best selling body butters, and this also has improved its fragrance. So now the fragrance that you get is going to be smelling like the real strawberry. So that is again improved formulation that we've got for you. And like I said, it doesn't contain any parabens in this, and it has very lesser amount of silicons in this, which is all good for your skin. And the third one that I want to show you is called British Rose. This again is one of our best selling ones. Look at all the beautiful English roses that you see here. It's a very beautiful packaging, and this also has improved its fragrance. This now again smells like the real English rose. So whenever you smell this, you'll be smelling the real English rose. So this also has the base of shea butter, cocoa butter, and the English British rose seed oil. So this also is very highly nourishing for your skin, and this is ideal for people who have normal skin type. So for people who have normal skin type, I think strawberry and British rose would work the best for you guys. So having said that, now I want to move on to one of my favorite flavors that we've introduced this time. So this is more to do with our legacy, and this is one of the ingredients that I absolutely love, and we used to use this long back in Body Shop. It's called avocado. It's our best fragrance, I think, in out of all the body butters, I personally feel. And look at the rich creamy formula, and this is ideally meant for people who have drier skin. Avocado itself is a very trending ingredient. It is in for your skin. People like to eat this, people like to put masks of avocado. So we've got avocado for you in a butter form. What can be the better version of this? I think this would be the best option for people to give it a try who want to try the body butter for the first time with a new fragrance. So this would be the best option. I personally love this one. And having said that, now I want to move on to a very drier skin type, for people who tend to have very dry flaky skin. No matter how much moisturizer you apply, how much body butter you apply, your skin doesn't really, you know, nourish itself very well, and you get drier patches in a while, maybe in an hour or two. So the best option that I've got for you guys is argan. So if you all remember, our body butter used to be called wild argan oil. So now it is called argan. That is in line with keeping our entirely vegan. So this is again a very new and improved formulation. It is paraben free. It is with lesser amount of silicon, and argan again smells very true to the real argan that we have. This also has the base of shea butter, cocoa butter, and argan oil in this. So again, it's a very beautiful packaging, guys. Aluminum cap and the plastic, recycled plastic tub. This again is very non-greasy. This also gives you hydration for 96 hours, imagine. And after that, I've got one more for people who have a bit of a sensitive skin. They often complain about using product which often irritate their skin. They tend to have rashes after using certain products, and they are very finicky about using their products, and they like to evade from using anything new or anything experimental. So this is for you guys. This is almond milk. This also came back with an improved formulation, guys. So earlier it used to be called almond milk and honey. So like I told you guys, we are in the lines of being 100% vegan. So the name has been changed. It's almond milk now. And this also gives you hydration for 96 hours, and it is very good for people who have very dry skin and they have sensitive skin as well. So this would be the best bet for you, and it's got a very beautiful fragrance. It smells divine, and it also has a non-greasy formulation which you can apply to your body, and it will not irritate the sensitivity in your skin. It will give you nourishment for 96 hours, and it's got wholesome of good ingredients for your skin. What more could you want, guys? So those were the body butters, the lovely body butter fragrances that I wanted to introduce to you all. But there are many more fragrances that we have at our store, much more flavors that we have to offer at our stores, or you could shop them online from our website. and you could go to your nearest store. We have very exciting offers that we are running this season. So again, I just wanted to let you all know the new body butters are with sustainable packaging, improved efficacy, and much more cleaner formula. We do not use parabens and they are with lesser silicons. The packaging is recycled and we are using much more cleaner formulas. If anybody has any questions, I'm open for any questions regarding the body butter. I'll be happy to answer any questions if anybody has. Yes, I also absolutely love avocado. It's one of my favorite fragrances. It's one of our heritage ingredients that we're using. We used to use it long back. So again, once again guys, please do try our body butters at the store. They are there. Please do go in for a sample and give it a try. They've got much better formulation and the fragrances that you would absolutely love. Do give it a try. Go to our nearest store. And I think, okay, so somebody asked me the price. So you get it at $13.95 for a 200 ml tub. And I think that's a good amount of quantity that you're getting in there, 200 ml for $13.95 guys. Any other questions does anybody have? Any questions from anyone? Okay, so if you're in a cold place, I would recommend for you Argan, one of the highly nourishing body butters, and there is another one which I don't have with me here today. You could use hemp body butter. So that is available on our website as well as our stores. Any other questions from anyone? This was the product. Somebody wanted to see it again. So this is Argan. Guys, any other questions regarding the body butter? Yes, they are alcohol free. Any other questions? I think I've answered your questions, and if you still have any other queries, please do visit our website. Do visit our nearest stores, and our beauty advisors would be there to help you out the best. And thank you so much for joining in today. I had a lovely session with you all, and I hope you all give our body butters a try. Do try them at our nearest store. Go in for a sample, give a try. Thank you so much for joining in today, guys. Thank you. It was lovely being here with you guys. Thank you. Bye-bye.